Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Starfield power from Beyond Bag. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can do is to plot course to Altair 1. So to resolve the issue in the power from beyond quest in your Starfield, you can follow the steps right here. So this is as suggested by the Reddit user, this one. And then what you can do then is to open the menu and then just access this star map, and in this star map you can set a course to Altair. So when you reach the Altair, the quest marker for the power from beyond should now appear as expected. So this method was shared by the Reddit user to address a similar bug in the Navici mission and may also work for fixing the power from beyond quests. And then next, what you can do is to plot a course to the planet. So to do that, you'll need to open the game and go to the star map. And then just press the missions button on the star map and select the chart course. So go to the planet and do not make a land zone. Select a landing site you did not create, and you should reach the temple now. So if this fix didn't work for you, what you can do next is look manually for the marker. So the reason for this bug occurring is that you visited the system before receiving the quest during your exploration. So as a result, the quest maker glitched out, making it necessary to manually navigate to the location to proceed. And then you can also try new game plus or the NG plus. So to unlock the missing or the final missing ability in the game during the new game plus, you can follow the steps right here. So first, start a new game plus and quickly progress through the beginning stages and skip to the main quests. So visit Vladimir to obtain information about temple locations and specifically focus on finding the second temple as it may hold the key to unlocking the last ability you were missing. So this method should help you acquire the last ability you need to enhance your character during the new plus. And then lastly, what you can do is you can finish constellation quests. So continue working on constellation quests and finish them, and after completing the constellation quests, return to the lodge and talk with the star born on their ship. And once this is done, all the quests in the power from beyond should become available, allowing you to progress through the quest line. So that's it for this video. Remember, you can always pause this video, go back to the video, and follow the steps at your own time. So I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.